Let's face it, managing social media on the go is no longer just a luxury. It is an absolute necessity. Whether you're running between client meetings or attending a live event, or even simply just grabbing a cup of coffee, you need a tool that adapts to your fast-paced schedule. And that's where the ZoomSphere mobile app steps in. Perfectly complementing the desktop version, it makes your workflow smarter, smoother, and more seamless. Stay notified and in control. Imagine this. A notification pings on your phone. It's a reminder for a manual post. With the app, you can download the content, copy the caption to your clipboard, and post to the platform within seconds. Or maybe it's a team member tagging you for feedback. Open the app, react to the comment, and keep the ball moving throughout your day. You also choose which notifications matter most, ensuring that you can stay in control, stay notified, but not get overwhelmed. Create content on the go. Just captured a viral-worthy moment? Open your ZoomSphere app and schedule it instantly. Whether it's a tweet, LinkedIn update, Instagram reel, or even a multi-post across platforms. The app makes it so easy to keep your content flowing. Need to tweak something? Edit the posts in-app without even breaking your stride. Collaborate effortlessly. Teamwork has quite literally never been this easy. You can utilize the built-in chat feature to converse not only with your team members, but also with your clients. Send posts to the chat for approval, discuss content ideas, or even leave voice messages if you're on the move, all in real time. The internal and external comment sections, as well as the activity log, allow you to keep track of any progress made on a specific post, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. The internal comment section can only really be viewed by your team members, whereas the external comment section is where your client will see all of your communication. The real big plus though is being able to send voice messages in the chat. It's an absolute time saver. Switch between projects like a pro. Managing multiple clients or accounts? No problem. With the ZoomSphere app, you can easily toggle between projects, keeping your workflow organized and efficient. Whether it's checking content for client A or approving and posting content for client B, everything is just a few taps away. Your data anywhere you need it. Need a quick overview? The overall dashboard shows you what's scheduled for today and tomorrow so that you can always feel prepared. Access your scheduler to add quick notes or tasks, or preview content for that final check before it goes live. If you're in a pinch, you can also check your analytics, workflow manager, and notes on the web. Save time, react faster. Social media moves incredibly fast, and the app makes sure that you don't fall behind. Get notifications or respond to comments quickly, and approve posts in real time, saving you valuable hours while still keeping you in control. You don't have to feel like you're rushing or acting with impulse. Available on iOS and Google Play. While there is quite a debate in and around Android versus iOS, ultimately, the ZoomSphere mobile app is available on either to suit you and your lifestyle. Download it today and experience a smarter way of managing your social media on the go. With this app in your pocket, you'll simplify your workload, collaborate better, and ultimately never miss a moment. And there you have it. With the ZoomSphere mobile app, you can take your social media to the next level anywhere at any time. From scheduling posts and collaborating with your team instantly, the app ultimately makes everything faster, smoother, and most importantly, when working in social media, stress-free. Whether you're managing one brand or juggling a bunch, it's got everything you need to stay organized and stay on trend. So why wait? Download the app today on iOS or Google Play. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification for everything within the social media, marketing, and tech space. See you next time.